I'm Meghna Saraugi. I'm the founder of Style.me. He's Akhil. He's leading the tech team. So I have experience as a graphic designer for 3 years. And he's just 18. He sold his first company at the age of 15, $100,000. He's been coding at the age of 12. And he handles the entire tech products of Style.me.
Akhil, here to go.
So Style.me is an app which gives you instant fashion advice. If you post a picture asking any question, people can dot you or not you. So while you're posting, you can set a timer. Within that time, people can respond to you. That is when people can actually make very quick decisions. So it's not just one picture. If you post more than a picture, it turns to a poll and people can vote for you. So we're asking for 1 CR for
10%?
No, yeah,
1 CR for 10%.
10 CR valuation.
Have you been funded before?
So last time it was 25 lakhs for 2.5.
Okay.
Now again we have a term sheet in hand. We are pitching for 2 CR for 20% valuation.
Is somebody paying you for this service?
We're not revenue positive right now, but we're going to start making revenues from next month because our affiliate isn't in place. So whenever our experts or people on our app post links and you go and buy through those links, we get money from other affiliates. So for example, we have clubbed with Amazon, Flipkart, Jabong, all of these. So whenever the transition happens through our app, we get paid. We get 12% of whatever the...
What? 12%?
So can you explain the product well? I want to understand the product. So for example, I go to City Walk tomorrow and I'm getting confused between say Zara and another brand. And I've got 2 looks. I'm getting confused. So I come on this app. And what do I do next?
Just take a picture, post on your app, post on the app, set a timer because that's going to be very important
2 minutes, 5
for you.
minutes, set a timer.
Yes, set a timer because that's critical.
Absolutely.
Immediately, all our fashion experts, if you're new on our app, you might not have many followers. So all our fashion experts will get a notification and they can immediately give you, their advice. Even if you ask, for example,
Dotted or noted.
Yeah,
Okay. And if I have followers, then followers can also do the same thing to me.
So how many users do you have and how many experts, influencers do you have?
So right now we've today crossed 15,000 downloads. We are in the top 30 on the App Store as of now.
Let's just establish a couple of things. It appears to me that you don't have a monetization strategy that is very strong right now, and that's okay. Not everybody has to have one. I'm comfortable with that. But you should have some creative acquisition strategies that don't lead you down the road of a massive burn. Do you have one? What is it?
So we partnered with Forever 21, which is one of world's leading
What is your
brands.
partnership with them?
So we have stickers in their trial room mirror that says "Confused what to buy, get instant advice on Style.me." And we want to do the similar thing with all the brands.
That's very nice.
That's great.
Very nice.
Where do you see yourself as an individual? Meghna alone, not your group, just you. Where in your sequential diluting, where would you like to be when you exit?
So since I want to bring in intelligent, people, experts, I feel a company can grow only when you have people who are more skilled than you.
Very nice.
So since I have got such people, I have already offered them equity and I'm already doing. So in that way, I'm not very stingy about keeping the equity to myself and keeping the company in a shell. I want it to grow. So to be honest, if I have opportunities where even my equity goes very, very low, but I see the company can go really global. If we can make the next Instagram or Snapchat.
Every entrepreneur starts with
Good
this.
answer.
Good answer. Very good answer. Everybody starts with that. Then you'll start looking at the single digit.
No, but I have done it. The kind of equity I've given to my team.
Good.
No, it's a good answer.
shows
Very
I-
good.
I will.
Meghna, one question for you away from the business, just for you as an individual. What is the motivation factor? What is it you dream about? Is it money? Is it a yacht? Is it a plane? Is it impact? What is it that motivates you?
It's the passion to make sure this happens.
You know, one important thing that I think most people don't understand about entrepreneurs, and I'm glad to hear that answer from you. I almost know no good entrepreneur who has built a great business who has ever done it for money. It's always people who do it for passion, for excellence, for making a difference.
Of course, money is
and
just
the
a
money
byproduct.
is just the
I
consequence
agree.
that comes.
Are you open to somebody else running it as CEO and you being the passionate founder? Because without you, this does not exist. Because what you're good at and great at, and rightly so, is the product, is the concept, is evangelizing it. but I'm not so sure you have the experience to scale it as a business. Would you be open to somebody else being the CEO of this company?
Yeah, of course I don't mind. As I said, a company can grow bigger only when you hire smarter people than you. So if I feel tomorrow that I need to hire someone who will be able to take it global, I'll be more than happy to do that. But
Okay.
again, if
So you're checking off all the right answers.
Exactly.
Here's my offer. I will come in with an investment, and we could do a round of 2 crores for a 6 crore pre-money valuation, which means post-money of 8 crores. That's 25% of your company.
And Meghna, I'm in with them.
I find it very difficult to value a company to be 8 crores or 6 crores if there is no revenues. So I would like to pass the investment at this point in time.
So I like it, and I think I'm happy to partner with Anupam on it at the numbers that he mentioned.
I'll actually go in. I'll go in with them.
I don't come from this industry. I have no sense of style, as you guys are
Some will
realizing.
make you stylish, no. Some will make you
No,
stylish.
no, no. I think you have your offer already. So I don't want to pitch in there. So 3 of them have agreed to give you that 2 crores.
so as I said, we already have a term sheet of 10 CR.
Guys, let me
where-
tell you, you have a term sheet of 10, you have 4 investors giving you full payment of 2 crores and you sorted here. You can go happy, you don't have to worry about your term sheet.
If you like, you take 1 CR from them,
Yeah.
and you can take 1 crore from us.
Exactly.
But your valuation changes.
Right. And
She's very sensible, I
we
can tell you.
see,
Very sensible.
To be honest, the reason I would want you guys is because I know the kind of value you can bring to the company.
getting 4, so
I know.
Rahul Gamin,
No. Hear her
stylish.
out. Hear her out. Hear her out.
Yeah. So that is my that is why I'm very very keen on having you on board. But may I request if you can match the same valuation?
Can't play somebody else's game.
happen.
Sorry.
Do you want an expert in this?
Yes, I
Yeah,
would. I would
do
like
an expert, please.
Go ahead.
Entrepreneurs, please proceed to the consultation room.
Hi guys, you have like crores pouring on your head. We hear, but we need to hear the deals from you.
Getting a good deal out there.
Come on, let us know what's happening.
So we've got a deal of pre-money 6 crore valuation and post 8 crore and 2 crore offer. But the problem is that we already have an offer of 10 crore valuation.
So I'll just put this into 3 very quick sentences. 1, if it is closed, there is no question. So in your head, figure out how closed is closed. I'm just throwing this at you, you decide. Second thing is, these investors bring in a certain value. Those investors who I do not know, I'm sure bring in a certain value too. If you feel that these investors are so much more valuable that you would be willing to go down in valuation, choose them. Otherwise, choose them. The only advice here that I think is immutable is never cheat anybody.
I think this is a good offer that the investors just gave you at Vault. I think 2 crores at 25% is not really bad at all. And then also you're getting an investor who has a big sort of a background in fashion industry and can take you ahead there.
Existing investors have given us certain commitment. We cannot take the valuation that you're giving us.
Okay?
Cool then.
We
Thank you so
understand.
much.
We understand. Thank you.
Take care.
Good luck,
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Take care.
So we were offered a deal for 8 CR valuation, 2 crore, but we did not take it because we have, our existing investors have committed to us for another valuation, for a more valuation.
But guys, I truly believe in this concept.
No, I think
I truly believe in it.
it was kind of unexpected lines.
Incredible.
Because
I mean,
if they have a term sheet,
It's that
It should have
India
been one bed.
aspirational problem that it's solving, which is very
Right.
interesting.
But I'll tell you,
But kids are doing
after
this,
this show in the last few days, honestly, I think it's seeing what people at 15 and 18 are doing.
That's
it's just
exactly.
amazing.